So till last video we were done with the basic intro of reproduction and human reproductive system. Today we are going to see reproduction in male, like male reproductive system. So let's see, this would be also introductory class for male reproductive system because this is quite long topic, so it might contain few parts. So we are starting from very basic, like if you even don't know anything about this chapter, we'll start from quite scratch. So here comes the two parts. First one you'll see will be primary sex organ. Secondly, here comes the secondary sex organ. So here in this primary sex organ, what you'll see gamete formation, and you'll also see hormone producing, and thirdly you'll see testes and hormone, sperm, and these all parts. So in secondary you'll see other ducts and these all the accessory ducts and these all. And when we talk about the position of human reproductive system, so let me just make a picture. This is called as a quite bad picture, but still for making you understand, if this is the position, what you'll see that this region is called as abdominal region. Abdominal, this means testes and these all hang, and these are present in this region which is called as pelvic region. So here comes these, so I'm sure it's clear. And you might have noticed that like if I just ask you a question, why human testes are a little outside in our body, there's a particular reason. That's why, because our normal body temperature is about 37 Celsius, but when we talk about the human sperm, these are supposed to produce sperm, and spermatogenesis, like there does a process of spermatogenesis. That process is only possible when the temperature is around what, it's like in synth book you'll see it's written like 34 Celsius, but in NEET and CRT, these kind of books, you'll see 35. So of course you won't get any MCQs like 34 or 35. Mostly our body temperature is 37, and they need a temperature which would be 34 to 35, so like some around like that. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Then comes, if I just enlarge this, you'll see okay, let me just enlarge it a little. This the structure, what you'll see, the outer covering, that's called as scrotum. This is the pouch like structure where testes are going to hang. Okay, then comes our second part would be the second one layer, that's called as what, wait, so here comes the second one layer. Oh god, where's the pencil? Okay, so here comes the second one part, that's called as cremaster. They are also called as a skeleton muscle. Then comes what these does. These help in position in cold. And yes, these muscles are movable like skeleton muscles. So of course, as I just mentioned, they survive on 34 Celsius to 35. So when it's cold outside, of course they sometimes get shivering or like that. So what they will do, these muscles will help them to move a little inside, so help in position. When it's cold outside, they also help in taking them upside. I'm sure it's clear. Then comes our third part. The third one layer, this would be here somewhat. This third one layer is called as detritus. So I'm just writing over here. This is called as teretus. This is called as a smooth muscle. Smooth muscle. Uh, these also help. This helps scortium to control contract, so that the size becomes smaller, so that they can easily be hang out if they want that kind of situation. So this is a structure. Then what you'll see, if I just enlarge one structure, what you'll see, these are testes, right? If simply testes are small compartment, what you'll see that small compartment, they are also called as testicular lobes. They also have testicular lobes. Lobules. So what you'll see, testicular lobules, which are how much in number? So you'll see they are from 250 in number, 200 to 250 in number in each testis. Like this is another simply testes, which are small compartment. In that we'll see testicular lobules. So what are these? If I just make a diagram to make you understand, if I suppose this is the picture, so this is called as testis. What you'll see here inside this kind of structure like lobules, these are called as lobules, testicular lobules. Some short scaled, these are present 250 in each number, like in each testis there are 200 in number. Then comes after that these lobules. If I'm just make enlarge the top, this is called as lobules. In this lobule we have another structure like this kind. So this kind of structure called as what? This kind of structure called as seminiferous tubules, lobules, and in each lobule you will see these are present in what amount? You will see they are present 1, 2, 3 in each lobule, some short scaled. Then in these seminiferous tubule, what does they do? Simply they help in sperm production. And you will also see that they have other cells. First one, in this one, if I just enlarge again, this is seminiferous tubule. What you'll see, if this the part one, first one, like seminiferous, then this have other cells like here on the edges you'll find cells that's called as germinal cells, and you'll also find few other cells like these cells are called as Sertoli cells. Again, we have other cells over here, but this is only introductory class. I'll later on discuss with few other things. I'm sure it's clear. Then also come other few important points. Okay, so let's go with the green color now. And we have few other structures like testes, which are paired. They are present in paired form, that's called as cornets. But you'll see more, you'll see that they also have ducts, which are 4 ducts. Like this is the summary of all these points. So the 4 ducts are called as red testes. Then second one you'll see would be vasa efferentiatia. The third one you'll see would be epididymis. Fourth one you'll see would be vasa deferens. So I'm sure it's clear to you, these 4. Then we also have another point. You'll see that glands as well. It's glands. So what glands are those? Glands are like prostolial glands, which is single. Then you'll see other cells like seminal vessel, and the last one, which is Koppens gland. These are also named as something more like bulb urethral gland. Structure in these all, I'll make this, and these both are in paired form. So I'm sure it's clear to you. uh, again. And yes, we also have third parts after these. We have another thing that's called as external genitia. So what you'll see in this structure, you'll see penis. So this is only the introduction of this chapter, like not this chapter but the male reproductive part. I'm sure it's clear to you. Rest will come with other videos to discuss like sperm structure and other few things. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.